Hey guys, hope you all are having an amazing day. This is Kevin and you're watching How You Must You. And today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and amazing crab curry recipe. First, I'm going to boil them, clean them and cook them. Hope you all like it. Let's go make it. To make crab curry in a pan, I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. After the oil is heated, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of jeera. Now when the jeera starts to crackle, I'm going to add 4 green chillies and a handful of curry leaves. Stir fry the green chillies and curry leaves for a minute or two. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of onion paste. I used 2 onions and made it into a paste. Fry the onion paste until it becomes translucent. Now when the onion starts to change its color, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone, now I'm going to add some salt as per taste and some turmeric powder, that is about half tablespoon. Turmeric powder adds a nice color to the curry. Give it a nice mix. Now I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder. Give it a nice mix. Now I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder. Mix everything well. Now I'm going to add half cup of tamarind pulp. Give it a mix. I'm going to add some water so that the masala doesn't get burnt. Give it a nice mix. I'm going to let the masala cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, I'm going to add 1 kg crabs, which are already steamed and cleaned properly. Give it a nice mix. Now I'm going to add a little water. Give it a mix. Now I'm going to cover this with a lid and let it cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, give it a nice mix. After giving it a nice mix, now I'm going to add 2 glasses of water. Give it a mix. After giving it a mix, I'm going to cover this with a lid again and let it cook for 15 minutes on low flame. After 15 minutes, crab curry is almost done. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give it a nice mix. Check and add more salt if needed. Now I'm going to let it cook for 5 more minutes and crab curry is done. After 5 minutes, now I'm going to garnish it with handful of coriander and mint leaves. Give it a mix. Crab curry is done and is ready to be served. You can serve it hot with steamed rice. Well, that's it for today, guys. Crab curry came out really well. It is spicy, tasty and easy to make. Hope you all liked the recipe. And if you did, do try this amazing recipe and please do subscribe, like, comment and share. Khao piyo mast chew.